Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to apply brick tiles. Start by prepping the substrate. Clean, level, and prime if needed to ensure strong adhesion. Mix adhesive to the manufacturer's consistency and apply in small sections with a notched trowel. Dry fit tiles along your layout lines and cut edge pieces as required so you maintain a balanced look across the installation. After prep, spread adhesive in manageable swaths and set tiles with consistent pressure to avoid lippage or voids under tiles. Use spacers to preserve uniform joint widths and a spirit level to keep all tiles flat across the surface. Cut tiles for edges and around obstacles using a wet saw or angle grinder, and clean excess adhesive from the joints as you go to make grouting easier later. Wait the recommended cure time before grouting so tiles stay stable and joints don't sag. Fill joints with grout using a rubber float held at a 45-degree angle, forcing grout into corners and gaps. Wipe surplus grout with a damp sponge, allow partial curing, then polish tile faces to remove haze and apply sealer to protect grout and enhance longevity if the manufacturer suggests.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.